Welcome to today's video, where we're going to tackle a common issue that many of you may have faced while working in PyCharm: how to resize a window without running into error. If you've ever tried to adjust the size of a window in your application only to be met with an error message, then this video is for you. In this tutorial, we'll explore the reasons behind these errors and provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to avoid them. We'll delve into the world of window resizing, discussing the key concepts and best practices that will help you master this essential skill. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, this video aims to equip you with the knowledge and confidence to tackle even the most stubborn window resizing issues. So, why did we get errors when trying to resize windows in PyCharm? The main reason lies in the way that PyCharm handles window sizes. Window and PyCharm. When you try to resize a window, PyCharm checks if the new size is valid and consistent with the current layout. If it's not, you'll encounter an error. To avoid these errors, we need to understand how PyCharm calculates the ideal window size. Imagine your application as a puzzle, where each component has its own size requirement. When you resize a window, PyCharm tries to adjust the sizes of all the components within that window to fit the new dimensions. The key is to make sure that these adjustments don't conflict with any other layout constraints or minimum-maximum size limits set for individual components. Think of it like trying to solve a jigsaw puzzle. You need to find the right balance between different pieces to create a harmonious whole. To resize a window without running into errors, follow these simple steps. Before making any changes, check if there are any existing layout constraints or minimum-maximum size limits set for components within the window. Plan your window resizing strategy by identifying which components need to be adjusted and how they'll affect other parts of the layout. Use PyCharm's built-in features, such as anchors and layouts, to guide the resizing process and ensure that all components fit harmoniously within their new dimensions. To recap, the main points discussed in this video are: understand how PyCharm calculates ideal window sizes by considering component size requirements and layout constraints. Plan your window resizing strategy by identifying components to be adjusted and anticipating potential conflicts with other parts of the layout. Utilize PyCharm's features, such as anchors and layouts, to facilitate smooth resizing and avoid errors. That's it for today's video on how to resize a window without running into errors in PyCharm. We hope this tutorial has provided you with valuable insights and practical tips to enhance your development experience. Don't forget to engage with the content by asking questions in the comments below, liking this video if you found it helpful, and subscribing for more informative tutorials.